Tuesdays, old school wisdom day. I'm gonna give you some good old school wisdom. Make sure your Bluetooth in your vehicle is connected so you don't have to record the same video 3 times. Old school wisdom day. A penny saved is a penny earned. But with inflation, a penny saved is really a penny lost. So what's the new old school wisdom for building wealth? Well, the new wisdom is this. You need to put your money to work for you. That means you don't just save your money, you invest it. This is the core of the Kaizen philosophy applied to your finances. It's about consistent, incremental improvements in how your money works for you. Whether you're starting with a single stock or a small rental property, that tiny bit of cash flow from your first asset makes it easier to save for the next one. It's a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger every day. Want to get your snowball rolling? Start with my free Kaizen Kickstart checklist. The link will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. Boom!